Oh, CJ! CJ!
Oh, are you serious? This thing's a piece of shit, Smitty.
What the f that?
Oh, let go.
CJ! CJ!
Bro. Horrible start. Shred 80 gave you a piece, dude.
There you go, there you go. Nice and easy, nice and easy.
Man, hasn't even moved yet.
Can me and Flair come with you guys?
Dude, I'm so not excited to be blindfolded for the next 5 hours.
Go! Get out of here. Bobby's running.
Bro! It fired once, you started jacking the throttle.
The lower unit's completely grounded.
I've had a couple beers, alright? I'm not supposed to be driving this thing. Man, this is tough.
Alright, let's get the hell out of here. Good luck with that piece of shit.
Flair, I'm sorry about this.
You brought a jump pack? I didn't bring a jump pack. Why didn't you grab one? I was busy loading your freaking jalapeno poppers out of the freezer.